Have you ever dreamed of writing your own songs but thought, where do I even begin? What if I told you the answer is just a few strums and a little inspiration away? In this video, I'm introducing you to my songwriting inspiration planner designed to take you from dreaming to doing. Aloha, sweet pals outside in this world of creativity. My name is Donya, a music therapist and a passionate advocate for the free play songwriting. Today, I'm so excited to introduce you something I poured my heart and my soul into, the songwriting inspiration planner, and also which is under construction and hopefully will be published soon, my book about the art of the free play. So anyway, have you ever wanted to write songs but you felt intimidated by must having a degree in music theory to start? Same here. But well, this is why I created this planner about songwriting inspiration, because this one isn't just a planner, it's your personal guide to turning creative dreams into actual humpable and strumable songs, whether you play the guitar, the ukulele, or just want to sing your heart out. This is for you. So let's explore how this planner works. So, what is special about this little beauty over there? First, every week you get a mantra inspired by one of the chakras. So, stay with me here. This isn't your typical woo woo. Each mantra connects to a specific tone that you can use to create music from the heart. And the best part is there's no need for sheet music or endless scales. You are free to play however you like, strumming, finger picking, humming, or even banging a spoon on a saucepan. Okie dokie, let me walk you through it. So each week it's laid out with spaces for your personal goals, song ideas, and like a habit tracker, you can try to do what that you're always making mistakes at the same point, or you dislike working with a metronome, or you're getting better in chord progression and working with metronome, or playing the G chord better, and anything you want, and you have a dump idea zone, and a priority list. So many things you can work with yourself and your heart. And here in this example, what I showed you before, the mantra that I express, my truth, comes with the beautiful tone of G major or minor. And you can explore it however you want, like with simple chords, with little riffs, or even experimenting with melodies, or just playing the notes of the chord triad. So there's also a vision board. I show you the next page, because let us be real, manifestation works better when you've got a clear picture of what you want. And for those who are even super busy, this planner works if you just work on your songwriting, on your creativity, about 5 to 10 minutes, and it can help you to reconnect with your creativity. It's like a musical yoga, but the more fun and less sweaty way. The promise explanation about the vision board. So it's better to have a clear focus and picture about yourself. So you have to include everything like body, mind, and soul to be creative, to get impulses for lyrics and your songs and emotions like dynamics you want to express yourself. So the vision board is detailed first at all with your body. Do you care about your health? Do you drink enough? Do you enough stretching for or after you're playing? Do you go outside or you take a deep breath, do yoga, like self-care? And the next one is your mind, how it's about your spirituality, or are you spiritual connected to something or to yourself? Do you love yourself? And also, it's important about the career. Do you want to do a musical career or in a classical job which is supported by your music? And these points you can put in here in this vision board and find yourself. And for me, the very important point here on this vision board is the soul. Soul is like music, traveling, your pals. So be connected to everything which is soul food, which makes you happy. Write those things down and have a picture. What is you to express yourself through music and be more self connected. Also, which is important, the finance, no? How you can deal with everything, with your life, with your rent, your instrument, especially if you're a ukulele player. You can't get enough. So, how can you afford it? And how you manage your finances. Yeah, and the last point is the creativity. How important is it for you and your songwriting? So, this is how the vision board works. Make yourself clear and write it down and watch maybe before you start your next mantra on this vision board and be familiar with yourself or your higher self or grow to your higher self. And the vision board is not enough. I made my tracking wheel of art. So this is very important that you can maybe do it directly. What is your position now? Make it in, for example, in red, and sign in where you stand now at the beginning with working with this book. And maybe after a year or 6 months, it's your decision. Compare it with another color, for example, green. So you see where you stand and how you improvise or you need improvisation. So it's the typical things we creative people need to know to track, like the free play, like finger strength, accuracy, maybe the boring theory and technique and speed, timing, whatever. So have fun and enjoy your higher self through this book. So here, this is why this planner isn't just for musician. It's for anyone who wants to express themselves, even if you never wrote or tried to write your personal or own song. The free play songwriting approach makes it easy and joyful. So just imagine you're sitting anywhere with your ukulele, guitar, strumming, picking, humming, whatever. And experimenting and let things go and flow. So it will come out, it will turn out, and that's the magic of the process. Let me tell you, songwriting isn't just about music, it's about emotional release, it's about self discovery, it's about connection with your deeper self. That's the transformation waiting for you in those pages. Are you ready to turn your musical dreams into reality? Grab your songwriting planner today. It's available on Amazon right now. Check the link below. Oh, and before you go, maybe you would like to push the like button or ring the bell and subscribe to this channel. And waiting for my next free play songwriting tutorial. So let's keep creating magic together. Love you, Donya.